y'all, it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel, and this is Stitch Fix number 17. I think it could be 18, but I'm pretty sure it's 17. So what I did a week or two ago probably, I went in and upped the frequency of when I receive a box. So instead of once a month, I'm gonna get one every 2 weeks because I love it that much and I have a shopping problem. And we know this. Also, I want to see if I can get some sort of sequins something for New Year's Eve. Y'all know this in my last video, I think. What video was that? Trunk Club, maybe? Yes. In my Trunk Club video, I mentioned that I would ask for something sequins in every subscription box that I got until it was too late to get something in for New Year's Eve. So this box unfortunately shipped before I had the chance to type that in, but that's okay, because there's at least one really great thing in here. So we're gonna go through the box. I've already tried everything on. If you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, I feel like I said this every time, but I don't know if I get new people that watch these videos or if it's the same people that watch all the past ones. It's a $20 a month styling fee. That $20 covers a box you receive in the mail from a stylist that puts things in there based on your style preferences, even like your Pinterest board. So you get these things in, what you want to keep, you pay for, what you don't, you send back. So there we go. I'll leave a direct link to Stitch Fix down below. Click on it and that will take you to the website to show you how it works. And if you're interested, you can sign up. Okay, now that I've been rambling, let's get into the box. I want to talk about my favorite thing first. I usually don't do that, but I want to do that. Also, if I didn't mention, my stylist this month is Elizabeth. Oh, it does. It says number 18. First thing is my favorite. These are cut from the cloth jeans. Y'all know I love cut from the cloth. These are called the Toothpick Skinny, and they're in a size 20. But what's different is they're shiny. Is anyone else impressed like I am? I don't even know if you can tell, but they're like a shiny, yeah, you can tell right there. Look how pretty. So they're almost like a shiny, like faux leather look, but they feel like jeans. They're stretchy, they're soft. The ankle is super skinny. Look at that. Oh, there's a dog hair. Welcome to my life. I get why they call it a toothpick skinny. And I absolutely, more dog hair. I absolutely love these. These fit perfect. My only concern is I own another pair of cut from the cloth jeans, like boyfriend jeans, that stretched so much that I actually had to get them 2 sizes smaller. But then most recently from TJ Maxx, I got a black pair of cut from the cloth, like just regular jeans, and they didn't stretch at all. And I'd ordered them in a size smaller. So I'm a little torn, like these fit great right now, but will they stretch? Okay, so these are $88. And I know that's a little pricey, but I like them. I really like them. All right, next top. Next thing is a top. I want to talk about this Tinsel size 2X, this like burgundy, like maroon color and black and navy checkered top. I guess I know I'm large in the chest. And I think it's just a little bit, it pulls a little bit. So if I was just relaxing and not paying attention, it would be open, like it would pull in the chest area. But if I'm thinking about it, I can kind of fix it and hide it a little bit so you don't see in my shirt. I even tried unbuttoning the top button to see if that would help, and it didn't. It just made it a little raunchy, which is not what I'm going for. And I'm not even wearing, like when I tried this on for this video, I'm just wearing like a plain bra. There's no padding, there's no push-up. Like, I don't even think it had underwire, you know, like, so I wasn't like sticking them out for the world to see. But I really love this pattern and this color and the fit. So maybe I could request this one in a size larger. This is a 2X. It's called the Hattie 2-Pocket Button-Down Top. And it's just so soft, which makes it hard to give away. All right, this one is $38. So that's not a bad price. Next thing is this like sage green cardigan. It's the brand RD Style. It's called Olive. It's called the Alliot Cotton Blend Cardigan. The color they say is olive. If I didn't just say that, then you heard it again. I pulled this out and my first thought was, that is a terrible color. I don't know why I don't like the color. And I guess if I were, like, I paired it with this like plaid shirt because I was just trying everything on. But I guess maybe if you wore it with like a cream colored top underneath with like some dark jeans. But for some reason the color just doesn't do anything for me. I also have one of these in a similar color from Target, I believe, that I've worn a couple times. Like, I know I've worn it for videos. I may have even worn it out. So I don't think I need this one, and plus the color. I also don't know if I like this kind of style. Like, it's a quilted look. All right, let's see how much it is. I don't even know. RD style, it's 64 bucks. All right, next thing. Apparently houndstooth is a thing this season because of my trunk club. I had those houndstooth pants. Now I have a houndstooth did I say that right? Houndstooth. That's a mouthful. Dress jacket. This is Calvin Klein. It's in a size 18. It full on has shoulder pads, but this fit is no joke. Like, it fits so well. Like, it fits perfect. Like, nothing about it would I change. However, I don't need a houndstooth dress jacket. But as I say that out loud, I think I could pair it with a black top and some black dress pants, and it might be kind of cute for work. But are shoulder pads in? I feel like things like that are coming back around, like the shoulder pads and stuff. I don't know. Let's see how much it is. This is called the Georgette Plaid Blazer, and it's $118. All right, last thing that came in my box is this Market and Spruce denim shirt. So my first thoughts when I pulled this out was this denim shirt is definitely thicker than a regular denim shirt. Does that make sense? Like, it's heavier, like heavier material. I didn't roll the sleeves when I tried it on, and maybe that's why I felt like I look like a cowgirl. Like, maybe if I rolled it and styled it a little bit different. This one's in a size 2X, and it's a little bit snug. So what's funny is last month, before that box, I had gone in and upped the sizes to everything. And I'd gotten like 3Xs, and some stuff felt a little large. Well, I didn't change anything in my profile. And then I got all 2X stuff this box, which I don't hate, but I think 3X would have just fit me a little better. This is the Morgina button-down chambray top. Chambray, somebody commented that. This chambray top is $58. Now let's talk total. The total for everything in my box is $366. If you purchase all 5 items, Stitch Fix will give you a 25% discount. That brings the total to $274.50. Then no matter what you keep, it could be one thing, it could be 5 things, you get that $20 back. So $254.50 is not a bad price for all of these things. However, we know I don't like them all. What I really like are the jeans. So I could get the jeans for 68 bucks. I do like that tinsel plaid top, but I do also think it's a little bit snug in the bust. And fun fact, no matter how much weight I lose, those aren't going anywhere. They will always stay the same size. So I don't know if I should keep it as is. Alright, so that is a wrap on this video. As I mentioned, I will leave a direct link to sign up for Stitch Fix in the description box down below. Click on it, check it out. Let me know what you think. I also love it when y'all tag me in pictures of your items that you get in any subscription box or even just shopping in general. I love it. So be sure to tag me and stuff like that too. But yeah, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!